Hi, I'm calling this move the Wheel Roll because I adapted it from Emma Kenner's Winging It twin hoop thingy. So I'll put a link to that below. Anyway, here we go. It's a half roll that goes behind your back, hooks on your elbow, and you do a little flip round like that, which means you can now do what you like from there. So let's break it down. It starts with a half roll going over that webbed bit of the thumb and then being trapped on the shoulder. So from there to there. So again, roll, trap. I've caught it with my hand, look. And then that hand can take it over behind. So from the back, that's there, catch, round, and there. It's ready to be caught in a moment. Okay? So when it's gone to there, I'm going to stick my elbow out and use it like a little hoop hook to catch the hoop on. And it holds it there for a moment while I turn round and get my hand to it. So it's going from there, hand to it, and then it's not really a grip, it's just a sort of a guiding movement, going round like that. Now I've got to admit, that's a bit fiddly, so I will try and explain it. Perhaps we'll do the hook bit first again, just to show you from behind. So, there's the hook, and then the hand's ready to grab. Okay? Now then, how am I going to explain that? Okay, so the hoop's hanging on my elbow, and I'm going to turn into it and steady it with that hand. As I go in, I'm going to use my thumb to pivot it round, and the elbow tucks it in to turn it the last little bit. And let's see if it helps to see it from behind. Might. Right, so we're on the hook. View from behind. Hands there, I'm stepping into it, round. And I use my hand just to tip it a bit. And if I'm still confusing you, let's try some slow-mos. I hope all that helps, and I hope you have lots of fun experimenting with this wheel roll. If you have any questions, do ask, and just let me know how you get on. But thanks for watching. Bye.